Hi students, good morning to one and all. The new chapter molecular basis of inheritance. Already previous classes we discussed about the what is the DNA, what is the structure of polynucleotide chain, what are the salient features of the double helical standard of DNA molecule, the packaging of DNA helix or nucleosome, the search for genetic material, that is the transforming principle or biochemical characterization of transforming principle. So what is the genetic material is DNA to be explained assay and charge experiments. What are the properties of genetic material, that is DNA versus RNA? What are the differences between DNA and RNA? Okay, now today we are going to discuss about the important topic that is DNA replication. What is the meaning of DNA replication? What is the meaning of semi-conservative method of DNA replication? What is the process of semi-conservative method of DNA replication? Which is proposed by semi-conservative method of DNA replication? How many steps are involved in the DNA replication? Okay, now first one here, what is the meaning of DNA replication? Which is proposed by DNA replication? Now let us, Watson and Crick proposed a scheme for DNA replication or replication of DNA. Watson and Crick in the year 1753 to be proposed a double helical structure of DNA molecule. At the same time, Watson and Crick proposed a DNA replication or replication of DNA. Replication of DNA. Okay, now in the year 1753, James Watson and Francis Crick to be proposed the double helical structure of DNA molecule. Then after awarded the Nobel Prize. But here only Francis Crick to be proposed a central dogma in molecular biology. Then after some time, James Watson and Francis Crick proposed again the scheme of DNA replication or replication of DNA. Replication of DNA. Okay, now Watson and Crick proposed a scheme for DNA replication or replication of DNA. What is meaning of DNA replication? That is the replication of DNA molecule, that is called DNA replication. The duplication of DNA molecule, that is called DNA replication. So this is a parent DNA molecule, these two are daughter DNA molecule. Okay, now the duplication of DNA molecule, the duplication of DNA molecule, that is called DNA replication or replication of DNA. Okay, now the duplication of DNA molecule is called DNA replication. Next, coming to what are the primary functions of DNA molecule. So the primary function of DNA is to synthesis its own copy. So the primary function of the DNA molecule, so to its produce a own copy or own DNA molecule, that is named autocatalysis. In generally DNA molecule to be carrying two functions. One is autocatalysis, second one is heterocatalysis. Autocatalysis means the DNA will be useless to again DNA molecule. By means parental DNA molecule would be useless to daughter DNA molecule. That is called autocatalysis. This is the main function. So this is one type of DNA replication. Second function are here heterocatalysis. Heterocatalysis means so DNA would be synthesized RNA to be form of proteins. That is called heterocatalysis. So DNA single stranded DNA molecule would be synthesized of a single stranded mRNA molecule. So in this mRNA molecules to be form of protein like structures to be synthesis of proteins. By means the DNA to be synthesis of proteins, that is called heterocatalysis. That means transcription. Okay now, once again DNA replication. Watson and Crick proposed a scheme for DNA replication or replication of DNA. The replication of DNA molecule, that is called DNA replication. Next coming to the primary function of DNA is to synthesize its own copy. The primary function of DNA is to synthesize its own copy. That is synthesizing of own DNA molecule. That is named autocatalysis. In generally, the DNA molecule to be carrying in mainly two functions. The first function autocatalysis or DNA replication. The second function heterocatalysis or transcription. First one autocatalysis. By means the DNA molecule would be gives rise to again new DNA molecule, or one daughter DNA molecule would be produced one daughter DNA molecule. By means one parental DNA molecule would be produced one daughter DNA molecule. That is autocatalysis or DNA replication. Next one here heterocatalysis. So in this DNA would be gives rise to mRNA. So in this mRNA is always helping in protein synthesis. That is called heterocatalysis or transcription. Autocatalysis DNA would be gives rise to DNA. Heterocatalysis DNA would be form of mRNA. So that means DNA replication and transcription. Autocatalysis to be similar of DNA replication. Heterocatalysis to be similar of transcription. Okay, now next coming to during replication, the two polynucleotide strands separate. During replication, the two polynucleotide strands would be separated. So in this time to be breaking up hydrogen bonds between of the nitrogen bases. So to be opening up the DNA helix. So to be make a one pore. That is origin or origin place. That is named origin of replication. Next later on coming to detailed description of DNA replication. So during replication, the two polynucleotide strands get separated and acts as template molecule for the synthesis of two new complementary strands. These are two new complementary strands. During replication, the two polynucleotide strands will be get separated by means internally breaking of hydrogen bonds between of the nitrogen bases, and within the help of DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme. So in this time to be opening of the helix, to be appeared one fork-like structure, to be beginning of origin of replication, to be beginning of origin of replication. So separate and acts as template molecule, and acts as one polynucleotide strand act as a template molecule, another polynucleotide strand to be act as template molecule. These two are polynucleotide strands. So they will get separated after each polynucleotide strand to be act of template molecule. This is a template molecule. That is, this is a template DNA molecule. This is a template DNA molecule. So for the synthesis of two new complementary strands, This is a DNA replication. During replication, the two polynucleotide strands will be get separated. Then after each strand of DNA to be act of template DNA molecule. So in this template DNA molecule, for the synthesis of new DNA complementary strands. By means after the completion of replication, two daughter DNA molecules. After the completion of DNA replication, so two daughter DNA molecules are produced from one single parent DNA molecule. After completion of DNA replication, two daughter DNA molecules are produced from a single parent DNA molecule. This is very important over here. Next coming to, so in each daughter DNA molecule, after undergoes replication to be produced two daughter DNA molecules. One daughter DNA molecule to be act of parental, and other strand to be act of newly synthesized again daughter DNA molecule. So this scheme of synthesis of DNA molecule is termed as a semi-conservative method of DNA replication. Okay, now once again, in each daughter DNA molecule, again during replication, so one strand is parental and other strand is newly synthesized. So and this phenomenon, so known as the scheme of synthesis of DNA molecule is termed as semi-conservative method of DNA replication. The most important DNA replication is semi-conservative method of DNA replication. This semi-conservative method of DNA replication is proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick. This is a Watson and Crick model of semi-conservative method of DNA replication. Dear students, this is a Watson and Crick model of semi-conservative method of DNA replication. These two are two polynucleotide strands. These two are daughter DNA molecules. These are nitrogen bases are here. Guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, again guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine, adenine, thymine. These are the nitrogen bases are here. So these two are parental DNA molecules. The yellow coloring parental DNA molecules are parental DNA strands. Okay, no? So yellow coloring parental DNA molecules are parental DNA strands, and light orange coloring, so daughter DNA molecules are daughter DNA strands. Later on, so another, so semi-conservative method of DNA replication, beginning of the part 2, that is the Mestering and the enzymes of DNA replication or the process of DNA replication. Okay now, thank you.